Thermoflyde Industries in Hyderabad. We are here to learn about the startup in refractory industry sector, which has started its business by pledging 90% of its shares. Now, the company aims to be a 1,000 crore turnover company within the next 5 to 7 years.
I'm Aditya Ayaj, co-founder of Thermoflyde Industries Private Limited. So the story how we started is, to be honest, quite unbelievable. I and my current co-founder Tarun, we had tried hands at different things, right from e-commerce to merchandising to even nanotechnology, but nothing took off. And I was on my way back to my hometown in a train, and that train journey changed everything. My co-passenger was Mr. Ramna Rao, and we ended up talking for hours and hours regarding business and, to be honest, everything under the sky. And after that, when I came back to Hyderabad, he gave me an opportunity to work with him, and that's how we got introduced to this field of refractories. So remembering some of the difficult times, I would say the only way to execute orders was to take credit from vendors and take advance from our customers, because we had no bank support or any financial support whatsoever. To fast forward today, where not only we have raised a couple of $1 million, but also expanding aggressively. And moving forward, we aim to capture at least 10% of the 10,000 crore Indian refractory market, which means having a 1,000 crore revenue and having more than 1,000 employees in Thermoflyde in next 5 to 7 years. So one interesting anecdote would be how we got our first bank to give us the loan. Uh, to be honest, we were going from one bank to another, and after getting rejections from 8 banks, ninth time was a charm for us, and it was Karnataka Bank Gandhidham branch who gave us the opportunity, and we have not looked back after that.
This is Tarun. I'm co-founder of Thermoflyde Industries. We started Thermoflyde Industries in 2018 in Kutch, Bachau. So we started a half-acre campus where we used to manufacture monolithics. Later then, after 2 years, we moved into a rental property of 2 acres where we started manufacturing of monolithics, precast shapes and flow control refractories. And down last year, we have received a loan from SIDBI of 13 crores, and we have established the expanding of facility into 13 acres campus where the capacities will be 3x capacities. We will be producing around 15,000 tons per year, diversifying the product range into monolithics, precast shapes and flow control refractories, catering, defense, all the metallurgical industries in the country, and exports too. So presently, we work with mini steel plants, vacuum induction melting plants and power plants power plants. 40% of our turnover as on date is exports. We export to Africa, Middle East, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and so we have developed a couple of import substitutes working with MIDHANI, BHEL, and we worked with all the ODFs. So one of the ODF stories like we got luckily we got a tender where we got L1 in. We got an opportunity to supply ODF. For the first time, Thermoflyde's material was received by ODF, and the first feedback we got was it was very overwhelming. Like they appreciated our product a lot, and they have enrolled us as a regular supplier in the same product from the next tenders. So down the lane, like we have multiple products in the similar way. Like one product which is PCPF shapes for walking beam furnaces, where the refractory is put under abrasion at higher temperatures. We have successfully developed those products for walking beam furnaces where seamless pipes are manufactured, replacing all the European players in the market. And we have focused on customized solutions too, where we work with Kirloskars, BHL, where we replace their Austrian and Chinese sources, and we have developed indigenously using Indian raw material.